Let's go! Where to? We are going to... As you can see, I have my new scooty. New ride. Scooty man! Today I'm Scooty man! I was not on the bike below. My bike is here. I'm gonna be keeping my bike here. And I'm gonna be taking my scooty! So welcome back to another video of riding and talking. So today we're gonna be going to Kikurujama, which is right now I'm at Medziphema, and then I'm riding a scooty because what I bike chalawi alchi eh. So I'm riding my sister's scooty. My sister is seated behind me, and then she's taking me to Kikurujama. It seems there is a place there which is really pretty. It has fresh water, and then you know, it's a good spot for chilling, it seems. So we are going to be going there. I am with my sister, and then there's Ausnap and Anik right there. Nay, tell us someone bang siya. Okay, yeah, Ausnap broke his bike part here, see the underbelly, so he's going to be searching. He's searching for it right there. And I'm here. Ki, tara ba pandi na lang uli? sorry Just check out the view, the farm here, so pretty. The sunset here is really pretty. So we're crossing Serima right now. I mean, we're inside Serima right now. You know, it's really funny to be using all this gear and then riding a scooty. You know, a scooty is more comfortable than my bike.
Of course!
Because you know, my bike's riding posture is really aggressive. So on a scooty, it's like upright, relaxed, and you know. Hello! Guru? Komorman jung ako. Whoa! Check out the view. View do ini balas do. Just check out the view, man. Woo! Huh? Oh, the bridge to so bad. Woo! The view. Huh? Tade? Oh, to mola sa di ja bike tay tha do. Tay khushi pala tay hunting kan jai do. Hole bahar manan allowed. Bahar manan allowed doesn't nai. I wanna. He's saying black topping the night though. If the road here was nice, it would complement the view, because the view left and right is very pretty. So yeah, if the roads were nice, it would be complementing this view and this view. Okay, maybe after some years. But then this is still pretty. You do, you didn't likhna tha to. Rasta do. Oh, ये black top ना? ये black top ना? अच्छा, full. Nice. Woo! So we're climbing up now. Let's see what is what is not. I'm excited. Okay. So we're climbing up, and then opay na scooty naman power na tani eh, but then moza eco mode. So the road condition out here is okay since there's blacktop, so it's nice. I hope there's blacktop till we reach the spot. Let me ask my sister. Is the spot to blacktop as it? Oh, nice. So it seems there's blacktop till the spot. Okay. Tatarala tagi dikhiye. Nice. I can't wait to show my friends this place. Because you know, today there's only Anik and Ausnap. So comes John Ben, and Wapag and all. You guys, I'm sure you guys want to visit this place too. So yeah, let's see. Woo, it's actually pretty, yeah. Car incoming. Okay. You know, after riding bikes, scooty gives a little different feeling. I'm constantly trying to press this because because on the bike this is the clutch, so I'm trying to press the clutch and do engine braking, but then I have to remind myself, oh, this is a scooty, not a bike. Bye. Yeah, Nick is behind me. Oh, I get a gyro. Views all over kala. Oh, woo! Just check out the view. That's the rail bridge, and then that's the road we came from, and then this is Medziphema. Very nice. Oh, tunnel na? Oh. Bal. Finally jaga na tun jawale paise. View bala jawa. Woo! Tunnel that is. Oh, tu ye thage tu na. My sister stays here and she doesn't know. Hoido, uto dis no chudu. Get lage to say bridge theo. Ah, dikhe u tade is. Hiru waru. Chardi. Tower. He's searching for the river. So yeah, not bad, yeah. The view. Nice, very nice, very pretty. Agi jao ne? Huh? This is my sister. This is my sister, which we adopted. Apparently she doesn't wanna be in the video, but then ekta duita part to wala wala so pai na eklo jazz. Sure, house nap. Scooty taking na rakha bian noi do. Very comfortable, yeah. Hey you, drive slow. Pator thagyo nishna ase. Woo! I'm trying a corner on the scooty. Yo, accelerator full is low point na jayega 41. Oh, what the war? Oh, kita sugo. Dala mo saya se, puta ke saya. The turnings. Ah, buffalo. Man, bui khai sila mo the buffalo do. Hi. Whoa, the view here. Oh. We're climbing up a mountain, so I guess this is why the view is so pretty. Wow. Nice, yeah. I never knew Medziphema had a place like this. You know, it's fun. Mountain la sa ito yung nabirado. Ito, port eh. Oh, sida. Nishi. So we're going down right now. Ki nishi jazo jado. Yaro nishi jai. Upar nute. Oh, upar thile balota view mamba mountain la. So it seems it's all downhill from here. Oh, it does na. To nichi jagah go lage. Oh, jao pare, chalo. Nice place. So this is the place. The water is really clear. Wala bike pa dai. Wala bike pa da scooty ar mala la off-roading girl eh. Ma ka je theng mai ni arm ba thela. Ha? Wow, we should go over there. The water is really clear, man. It's nice. Let me check out that side. Panino balas na? Hoy. Ito side to pator. But I feel like the upper side, okay. ठीक है Cherry blossom मलाई ना जो Nice view. Very nice. अब पानी खेलेगा हम लोग. चलो पानी डाइभ मारो. How's enough swimming गर्दा? Wow, मजा करो. Boxer extra dirty चाहिँ कुन लगाओ गले.
चला किला रास्ता नमिले.
हाँ? ओ होइन. म त हजुरलाई किला रास्ता होय.
कोही वाला साइड ते जाला रास्ता.
होय, यो साइड मिले होय. म यो खता गर्दै छ ब्लक दे. हाँ? इना चाहिँ के देबे? हाँ?
itu bawi di bastar.
तो ये रे किदो match to ne to khila jaga ha khila jaga match to zero ये रे स्विमिङ भी गर्न पर्यो ha ऊ तले बालाज न ये रे पानी भी खिलो दा पर्यो ने ले स्विम गर्न पर्यो र
टीवी ओलंपिक टाइप नहीं है मोला भाई मोम गयो बिदि
ha unexpected as well ina jaga we zuna gas pani de lu ko kids la ke पहिलो अझै थियो The water is so clear, see?
The water is so
Hey, Blue Pond 2.0. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class of swimming, we're gonna be teaching our students how to swim.
टेट पोदी लु जाउँ न यो त लुइन तो अजी मैं ये देना से क्यों जमा देना से पानी की डोले असल में मुर्ती का वाले जो पानी की
Like this. Very happy this man. Yeah.
Hey, Julio, we play.
I'm gonna view Zilake Nishnazo. It looks similar to Zilake, this place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then do give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. And then yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Till then, stay safe, take care, ciao. I just wanted you guys to check out the sunset, man. It's so pretty. Sheesh. I mean, the sun is not visible, but then yeah, it's still kind of pinkish, reddish color, so it's very pretty. So yeah, again time, bye bye.